Hello dear traders, you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Kate Stichina. During our weekly link up, we are going to talk about the current market conditions and forecast further dynamics with the help of our technical analysis expert Peter Yakimovic. Last trading week, euro sellers had a good excuse for triumph. Indeed, the US dollar surged to a 1.5 months high against the single European currency. Traders were encouraged by remarks from US Fed Chair Janet Yellen. The policymaker confirmed the central bank's intention to raise interest rates until the year end. However, on Thursday, trading sentiment suddenly changed. Traders rushed to close short positions on the euro-dollar pair, looking in profits at the end of the month and quarter. Hi Peter, from your viewpoint, what trading sentiment will dominate the currency market in the final quarter?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the euro versus US dollar. As I learned you previous week, my previous forecast, that price actually is trading in the trading range and the horizontal trading range for weeks. The EURUSD finally took the support, and the sellers took control over the buyers, which is a sign of weakness on this currency pair. Another sign of weakness on the euro versus US dollar is a broken rising wedge, very large rising wedge according to the daily time frame, and this is something which is technically confirming the further selling pressure on this currency pair. There is also hidden bearish divergence on the stochastic oscillator, which is another sign that sellers are in control and that we may see lower price on the euro versus US dollar. And my advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities on any upward correction. And the target is set the price of 1.1425, and this target is pretty much based on also Fibonacci work and also the previous price action according to the daily time frame. So again, watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
The pound-dollar pair showed quite a different dynamic. Peter, what positions do you recommend on this currency pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the British pound versus US dollar. Basically, I found that there is a broken horizontal trading range, and there is a strong shooting star according to the daily time frame. And this is a pretty much sign that sellers took control over the buyers in the recent days. The 5 simple moving average according to the daily time frame is right now trading lower, and price respecting this 5 simple moving average. MACD, which is actually a measure of the momentum, is pretty much started to from bullish momentum turn to the bearish momentum, and we see that buyers losing power. So this is another good sign that sellers are in control on this currency pair. So watch for selling opportunities. The first take profit level is set at the price of 1.3200. That is also based on Fibonacci war and the previous price action. And the second target, the price-based first one, the second target is actually set at the price of 1.360. Again, broken horizontal trading range, momentum shifting from bullish to bearish according to MACD, and the 5 simple average trading lower. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
Peter, what is the trading attitude to safe haven assets?
I'm expecting upward price on the USD versus Japanese yen. The USD Japanese yen trading basically in the trading range according to the daily time frame for many days, and it basically supported that trading range, held very successfully, and I found a fake breakout of that support and strong morning star formation, the free candle formation there, and the broken supply trend line inside of that trading range. So all of these are signs that buyers actually are in control at the moment, and that probably this currency pair is going to revisit the resistance or the resistance of that basically trading range, and that sets the price of 114.50, and the second take profit level is set the price of 115.50. So again, price is trading in the trading range, but the buyers are in control, and the stochastic also confirming that broken supply trend line, fake breakout of the support, and the morning star formation in the background. All of these are indications of the bullish behavior basically. So watch out for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
In other words, does it mean that risky sentiment is gradually coming back? Do you think risky sentiment will ensure demand for the Australian dollar?
I'm expecting a downward price in this currency pair. As I alerted you in my previous forecast, basically the price reached our first target. Since I alerted you, there is a broken triangle pattern, which actually worked pretty good. Right now, the key support level is actually the previous resistance levels, which will probably act like support in this stage, and that is a price 0.7750. So watch for this level for a key support level on this on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. If the price breaks the 0.7750, the second target will be set the price of 0.7650, which is the target based on the price action, the Fibonacci war. The stochastic offsets are also showing that there is a overbought condition, and there is actually bearish divergence in the background, stochastic oscillator, and there is a broken triangle again. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair with a first target at 0.7750.
Thank you for your recommendations, Peter. See you next week. You've watched the ИнстаФорекс TV link up with me, Kate Stichina, and ИнстаФорекs currency market expert Peter Yakimovich. We wish you successful trades. See you.